Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover a Facebook account, hacked or locked fixed step by step clearly. Open a secure browser on a trusted device and make sure your internet connection is stable. Go to facebook.com/login/identify to start the official account recovery process. Type your email address or phone number linked to the account and press search. If you cannot access that email or phone, click No longer have access to these and follow the prompts. Select your account from the list and choose a method to receive a verification code. Check your SMS or email inbox and enter the code exactly as it appears. Create a new strong password that you have never used on any other website. Immediately log out of all devices by selecting the option to sign out everywhere if Facebook shows it. Open Settings and Privacy. Then go to Settings. Then Password and Security. Review where you're logged in and remove any device or location you do not recognize. Go to Login Alerts and turn on notifications for unrecognized logins. Enable two-factor authentication and choose an authenticator app for stronger protection. If you see a message that your account is locked, click Get Started or Continue on the lock screen. Complete the security check by confirming recent activity, friends, or login locations when asked. If Facebook requests identity verification, open the in-app or web link shown and follow it carefully. Prepare a clear photo of your government ID only if Facebook officially asks for it in the help flow. Upload the document in good lighting, with all corners visible, and submit it through the official page. Wait for Facebook's response and regularly check the support inbox in your account if you can access it. If your account was hacked and the email or phone was changed, visit facebook.com/hacked. Choose My Account is Compromised and follow the steps to secure and restore access. After access is restored, check your profile, page roles, ads, and messages for unauthorized actions. Remove unknown email addresses and phone numbers from your account contact settings. Review connected apps and settings, then apps and websites, and remove anything suspicious. Scan your phone or computer for malware and update your operating system and browser. Change the password of the email account linked to Facebook to prevent rehacking. Turn on two-factor authentication for your email account as an extra security layer. Avoid clicking recovery links from messages, and only use official Facebook URLs you type yourself. Keep backup codes in a safe place so you can log in if you lose access to your phone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.